again.
That's what happens when you're single.
Single and ready to mingle, hey. Hey guys, welcome back to Makeup You Crazy. If you haven't been here before, I'm Mackenzie. This is my best friend Allison of 14 years now. And if you guys want to see how we got this pretty purple look on her eyes, keep on watching. We'll see you guys in just a minute. These are bloopers. This is what we call bloopers.
Are you recording this?
I hate you.
I hate you so much.
You love me so much.
No. Because I feel like you're watching me.
I'm not watching, I'm fixing my hair. Good. My hair looks freaking wonky.
No, you're gonna laugh at me if I say what I was thinking.
What were you thinking?
It's very bouncy.
Yes, it's supposed to be bouncy. It's why we bounce to blend.
Because it's fun?
Yes! All right. Okay, so today Allison's gonna pick out me some colors and then we're just gonna put them on her eyeballs.
1,
Okay,
2,
all right.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, perfect. So I'm gonna start out with a fluffy brush and I'm gonna take the lightest purple right here that she chose. I'm gonna put this one in her crease. So we are gonna kind of make this a little bit dramatic. So I'm gonna kind of like push this out and a little bit further up than what I would normally do for like a neutral type of brown look. Because we're gonna go pretty dramatic today. I'm gonna take this black shade right here and put this in her corner out here and into the crease to kind of give it a little bit more depth.
I really like that purple color.
Isn't that really pretty?
You know, it almost looks like spray paint.
Dude. I
Our
wonder if
spray
anybody...
paints made different noises.
That's what I do with Morgan, like on the setting spray. Like instead of like actually spraying her face, I'll go like she'd be like, oh, so much better. Okay, so timestamp. It's 9:31. I'm not gonna do this.
All right.
Allison won't let me do a timestamp. It is 9:31 at night right now, and we're both really tired, so. Okay, so next I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm gonna dip into this shimmery purple shade right here. And I'm gonna put this in the center of her eyelid right here and work it out into the black. See over here. How freaking cool was that? Okay, so now I'm gonna take a little bit of smaller fluffy brush. I'm gonna take that lighter pink shade. I'm gonna smoke out that dark purple on the top and make it a little bit more kind of like pinky purpley. So now for that inner corner, I'm gonna take that silver shade that she picked out right here. I'm gonna place that on the inner corner of her eye and blend this into the dark middle purple. And it's gonna really make her eyes pop. Did we use all 5 colors? So we used the black, we used the medium purple, the purple shimmer, the silver, and the pink. So there was those 5 shades. Okay, so next what we're gonna do is we're gonna smoke out the lower lash line. I'm gonna use that black and that medium purple to kind of go in on the outside and the inside. And then we're gonna do a highlight and some lips. And I think we'll be good for the day. All right, I'm gonna take that pink, that light pink shade from earlier, and I'm gonna smoke it out just a little bit and blend it out on the bottom of her lash line. We're gonna take the e.l.f. What shade is that? I don't know the shade of it, but this is the e.l.f. blush that we're gonna use. We're just gonna take it on a little bit of a fluffy blush. I'm not gonna do a whole lot today, just enough to put a little bit of color in our cheeks because we did such a bold eyeshadow. Put that a little bit on the apples of her cheeks. Okay. Yeah, that's really pretty. All right, so let's do some mascara real quick. And I am going to use the ColourPop Volumizing BFF Mascara in Purple Prose right here. I don't know if y'all can see that. There it is. And I'm gonna put that on her lower lash line after we do the Benefit Roller Lash on the top. Oh yeah, that looks really cool.
Oh, it does look cool. It almost looks blue against that purple.
I know, but it makes like that purple really stand out. Like I really love that. Like it's so cool looking. Okay, don't mind my jar of goodies here. So I'm going to take the Bad Gal Bang 24-hour eye pencil in black from Benefit, and I'm going to run this on her waterline. This is your favorite. There we go. Kind of like ties it all together. What do you think?
I like it.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna do a little bit of highlight and then we're gonna do some lips and then we're going to complete this look and we'll see you guys in just a minute. Okay, thumbnail time.
Man, look how brown my eyes look though.
I know, right?
What'd you say?
Thumbnail time, we gotta pose.
Oh.
So I can screenshot it and create a thumbnail for my YouTube.
I already have thumbnails.
What is with this? Y'all don't even want to know, okay? Okay. No, I'm kidding. This is just our friendship. She loves me so
I really
much.
want to push you out. I don't know. Do you want to hold stuff up?
I don't know. My hair's a mess. I don't like my hair today.
There you go. I fixed it.
I feel so violated. Seriously though, your eyes do look insane though. Like your brown eyes with that purple is like so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys, this is the finished look on my best friend. All right, guys, what did you think of this purple eyeshadow look? Did you like it? If you didn't, I'm sorry, please don't comment. Anyways. No, I'm just kidding, guys. Please tell me what you think down below in the comment box. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel if you want to see more of me and possibly Allison on this crazy little world we call of ours. Oh, she's coming back, guys. You better beware. All right, guys, I think we are completed here and we will see you guys on the next one.